Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to fix my WhatsApp status not showing other person. So the first thing you need to do, you have to minimize this one. Go to Play Store. You have to type WhatsApp. And you have to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. If your WhatsApp is not updated, you have to update your WhatsApp. So this is the first thing. Second thing, you have to go back to WhatsApp and then you have to go to status. Click on these three dots. Click on status privacy. Here is the important part. Here you will find three settings. You don't have to choose the second and third. If you will choose second or third setting, then your WhatsApp status will not be visible to all of your contacts. Now what you have to do, you have to select here the first option, my contacts. So every person that is in your contact, you have saved their WhatsApp number, all of them can see your WhatsApp status. Now third and the last most important thing, make sure the person who wants to see your status, he or she has saved your number. If they will not save your WhatsApp number, they cannot see your WhatsApp status. So these are the three ways to sort out your WhatsApp status issue. So in the same way, by adopting these three ways, you can also fix your WhatsApp status is not showing issue. If you still have any question, then comment below in the comment section. We will answer all of your queries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.